Well, with my mate Stu, we're on Moreton Island and we're going to go out for an afternoon fishing. Nothing like a beach launch with a little tinny. Got a nice little outboard 15 on the back. Absolutely beautiful day out here at the moment. Stewie is an old fishing mate. We used to go fishing for Murray cod. We're up in the highlands around Stanthorpe. Now we're doing a Moreton Bay expedition. Alright, so who's going to outfish who, mate? We're going to go out and catch some snapper, some big wahoo.
You never know.
You never know. Woo! Well, we found ourselves a little drop here, a nice little bit of a rocky bottom. Apparently some nice little snapper around here, so Stewie says. So we'll just have to find out. Big fish this time.
Snapper. Oh, it's a beautiful snapper.
Well done, Stewie.
Taking the net in. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hey!
Hello.
Hello, that's what we came here for, Tim.
Look at that.
Got up near 90, but she's going to be over 50. So here we go.
Nice work.
What do you reckon of that, Tim?
That is good, mate.
Nice.
That is a nice little pinky.
Hey?
Yep.
And he went 54. Oh, did he? 57.
57.
57. Oh, Tim's on. Tim on the action.
First fish.
What's it going to be?
Moreton Island. Here he comes.
Here it comes.
Little spango.
It's just legal. He's legal. Yep. Here he comes.
A little Spango Emperor.
There he goes. No, he's a grass emperor.
Grass Emperor. Is that what you call him?
Grass emperor. He's he has to be 25. There he is.
Nice.
Nice
First
stuff.
one. I reckon he'd be close.
There you go.
Moreton is looking sensational. Stewie's on. Moreton Bay snapper, more than likely. Oh yeah. Legal size? 27?
33.
Perfect.
There you go. Moreton Bay grass sweetling. Look at the colours on the eyes of him. Oh, yeah, we'll take that fella.
That's dinner sometime during the week.
Same. Grass emperor hole.
Little grass emperor hole. Very tasty. White, really white flesh fillets they are. Right on the point. Yeah. What's this point called? Comburo. Here he comes. See a bit of colour. It's the skills of a fisherman when you can jag them.
You don't size this one.
Live another day to grow a bit bigger. Okay, so I don't claim to be any professional chef at all, but I've grown up catching my own fish and diving for crays and seafood and cooking it myself. We just come back from Moreton Island, camping there, and they got a few snapper as you saw. Here's a little bit of a smaller one to the one that Stu caught. What we're going to cook up tonight is Moreton Bay bugs, garlic butter, and we're going to do a chili lemongrass snapper. I'm going to wrap the snapper in some alfoil. I'm going to score it through. I don't go all the way to the bone, and then I'll rub this marinade that I've got: garlic, a bit of basil, a bit of coriander, tomato, onion, chili lemongrass in there, and that just smells amazing. It's going to be a little bit like a Thai flavour, really. So then afterwards we'll squeeze a bit of lemon over it, chuck it on the barbie, and hopefully enjoy a nice meal. Anyway, so let's get started. Perfect, bro. So I'm going to rub some marinade I've made up for it all through. Just get it in, work it in. It's got a bit of olive oil there, so just push it into those areas. That flavour will penetrate right through the fish without losing the flavour of the fish. Now we'll just put the fish on the alfoil. Just push that all inside. And this is home cooking in its truest form. Nothing better than going out, catching your own fish, bringing it back, and cooking it up. How good does that look? So the other thing I do is I stuff the inside with some onions, garlic, and a bit of tomato. What I do once I wrap it, I pull it over and actually fold the ends, because then it doesn't leak out. You want to trap all the juice inside to keep that really moist. Make sure it's totally sealed, so none of that juice comes out at all. Okay, so what I do now, I get the barbie on about medium temperature in the oven, 240, 220, something like that. And the size of that snapper, I wouldn't cook it for any more than 15 to 16 minutes. So just going to chuck it on the barbie. Got it on medium. Now I'll leave that in there for about 8 minutes, and then I'll turn it over the other side for another 8 minutes. We've got loads of Moreton Bay bugs. We're going to do a garlic butter with them. So we're just going to cut them in half. What we're doing is just run your knife up underneath the tail right there, and that just pulls away that little membrane, and then you just literally snap it out of the shell like that, so it comes out. Stewie's cutting them in half to butterfly them to get out, so we can get out the main food vein out. So they won't need any more than maybe 30 seconds because they're already cooked. Alright, see, this comes out nicely. Moreton Bay bugs. I don't know, can you get them anywhere else in the water, or is it just Moreton Bay?
No, that was all on the East Coast. Sydney, I think I get my way. Sydney Harbour. They get the Balmain bug too, which is
very similar. See, look at that. That's the meat inside you want to get out of there. There's loaded with meat inside the head there. Not much left in there, not like a crab or a crayfish that has lots of meat in the head. cut it nicely, you'll get a nice little chunk like that.
There's no way you're going to eat all of these.
You want to bet?
You're rolling around like you'd be rolling around like pigs on the floor with tummy ache afterwards.
You know what? If I don't eat them all, I'm going to eat them on prep tomorrow.
They look great, ready to go. You can eat that ready now, it's already been pre-cooked. All we're going to do is, got the barbie hot, we're just going to rub some garlic butter on them, throw them on the barbie for no more than 30 seconds, maybe a minute max, just to really get that garlic butter fused through. So now we're going to just take that out with the garlic butter. I'm going to rub some garlic butter and put them on the barbie. That smell coming off of that is absolutely amazing. And I'm just loading them up while Stu's taking them off as they just warm up really. The neighbours would be going insane at the moment. If they hadn't had dinner right now, they'd be knocking on the front door trying to get in here. Now the snapper. It smells amazing. Just going to open that up. It's held in all the steam, all its juices. That looks very nicely cooked. It's cooked all the way to the bone. This is my version of a chili lemongrass snapper with a bit of lemon, garlic. Looks tasty as it's cooked to perfection. I'm pretty stoked to finish that. Garlic butter Moreton Bay Bugs. This should be yummo. Aioli or something? Not needed.
They can do what they are. Good one, mate.
No, good. I hope you have some.
Bugs, they hold in white bread or that chip. I'll taste
Right, chip up. Wow.